Happy Ramadan to everyone. Today we are making spinach crunch chaat, and spinach is a superfood. It is loaded with tons of nutrients. In a low calorie package, dark leafy greens like spinach are important for skin, hair and bone health. They also provide protein, iron, vitamin and minerals. Let's move towards our further procedure. Hi ladies, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well with your family, staying at home, and this is a time that COVID-19 have forced us everyone to stay at home and save lives, and we pray to the God that to recover very soon and we all come back to the normal life. And today you are welcome in my kitchen, and we are going to make chaat, and the chaat name is spinach crunch chaat. And this spinach crunch that I'm making, we can use with a tea, coffee. You can have during your breakfast or during the brunch time if you are having tea during the brunch, and you can use as a chaat as well. So I will show you how to prepare chaat from this. So let's start. Here I have taken here 2 cup of all-purpose flour, or you can go with the wheat flour. I have used here 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of the wheat flour. So here I have this, and 100 gram of spinach. I have added half cup of water, washed them nicely, chopped it and grind it with the water. Half cup of the water I have used here. We're going to use our carom seed, half a teaspoon, pinch of hing, 2 tablespoons of our yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil and salt per taste. So let's move. First I'm digging well here in our flour, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, salt per taste, pinch of hing, half a teaspoon of our carom seed. I'm taking in my palm, crushing it nicely and adding in our flour. I have taken here 2 tablespoons of yogurt, so I'm going to take all them, and first I'm going to bind all these ingredients, and then slowly I'm going to add our spinach puree. And it's not necessary that you have to use all our spinach puree. We are going to make a medium dough. So you can see here I have binded all our ingredients what we have added here, and slowly I'm adding our puree in our dough. Our dough is ready here. I'm going to apply a little oil on my palm, and I'm going to knead it nicely to give a smooth texture to our dough. And once we are kneading our dough, so the dough is ready here, and I'm going to keep for 15 minutes for rest. Cover it and keeping for 15 minutes. I would like to share a tip with you. If you are a diabetic person, or if you love the taste of bitter gourd, I really love the taste of bitter gourd. I went to the shop but I didn't find it. I want to add half a bitter gourd, cut it, and while making the paste of spinach I want to add with this. If you can find bitter gourd, add while crushing your paste of the spinach, bitter gourd. It will taste really very nice. I know sometimes children don't like the bitter gourd, but this is the taste, it's a prominent taste of the bitter gourd. It's really tasty. 15 minutes done. Now I'm going to take off our dough and roll it in 2 cylinder shape. 2-cylinder shaped dough is ready. I'm going to cut in equal portion. And making this size roll. All roll balls are ready here. I have make a flat here and I'm going to roll it like a medium thickness of our puri. Can you see the texture of our dough? It's not too thick, nor too soft. It's a medium dough. I can easily roll it without any dry flour. Our puri is ready here. You can see how thin it is. I have kept here thin and I want very nice round shape from the edges. And if you can't find round shape and if you are struggling with the round shape, do not worry. Take any glasses or any cutter if you have at home. Just cut it with a glass and I'm going to take all left of our dough. After this I'm going to slit it half a centimeter of the distance. I have left here some distance and I'm going to roll this all over and pinch it. So this is our crunch. It's ready. I'm going to prepare all crunch like this from our dough. By rolling our old puris and making a crunch, I'm going to switch on my flame and putting our oil on medium flame, and we want it not too high flame oil and we don't want to keep on high temperature. We want medium temperature oil and we are going to fry it till golden brown. I want to show you other method how to roll a puff crunch. So with the puff crunch, I'm using my oil, applying oil here and the second oil is going here and then dry flour and mixing them both together. Here I have prepared one. I'm applying oil here and then dry flour. Again same oil here and then dry flour. So we got 4 layer here and we want to make a 7 layer. The same procedure we are going to repeat it. I'm going to apply oil, then dry flour, again oil, dry flour and some dry flour here. So we have here 7 layers. Now all 7 layers I'm going to press it and roll it in a dry flour and making a big chapati. So we are having here puff crunch. Roll it nice and thin. Okay, our chapati is ready here. Can you see the thickness of our chapati? And same way I'm going to cut it. The small puris crunch is ready here and some we are making puff crunch. So I'm cutting with our glasses. Do you find this easy way? Very easy and quick way, isn't it? Oh. Our roe crunch is ready here, and now I'm going to fry it in our oil. Let's check whether our oil is ready or not. I'm going to keep a little. To check our oil, I'm going to keep a little bowl whether it's coming up. Yes, our oil is ready here. So I'm going to take this out and going to fry all our crunch here. Be careful with the oil. Slowly we are going to place all our crunch in our oil, and I have kept here medium low flame, and this crunch always try to fry in a flat pan, so it's easy for you to turn it. Both the side gets nice golden brown. One side our crunch is ready. I'm going to flip it to the other side, and we are going to fry other side as well. We want both the side nice crunchy, even from the inner part of our crunch should be crunchy. And you can store this crunch in your tin for 5 to 6 days, and it stays as crunchy as you have made freshly. I'm frying it both the side nice golden brown, so we find crunch from inner and outer part of our crunch, and you can store this in your container. Can you see the color of our crunch? We want this color in our crunch, and it is very tasty, crispy. You can give to the children while they are staying at home. They can enjoy as it is. Our spinach crunch is ready here. You can see the crunchiness. As my children have tasted, they said it's a really very crunchy, and you can see the layers here. We have done layers, and this layers one is going with the tea. So if you want to serve with the tea, any guests are coming, and if you want to prepare it previous, like early before 3-4 days, you can serve it with tea. And the other one, with our second part, we are going to make a chaat. I'm placing some crunch here. I have placed here 7 crunch. On this crunch, I have prepared tamarind chutney, coriander and mint chutney, sweet yogurt, chaat masala, red chili powder, cumin powder, and chickpea save or noodles, whatever you are saying. Okay, on this I'm going to pour some tamarind chutney. So 2 teaspoons of our tamarind chutney. As in our previous class, I have shown you how to make tamarind chutney, how to make coriander chutney. I'm pouring coriander chutney 1 teaspoon, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of our sweet yogurt. This simple yogurt. I have added here salt, a little black salt, and sugar. Some chaat masala powder as you like it, some cumin powder like a half a teaspoon, and pepper, red pepper powder half a teaspoon. And I like color combination, and mint taste gives fragrance as well and freshness, so I'm chopping fresh leaves of mint. Sprinkling on top 2 teaspoons of our save, or you can say chickpea noodles. So our chaat is ready to serve. Let's move towards our second recipe, and it is orange mocktail. First, I have this mixture of our mocktail. If you don't have, do not worry, you can mix it in any kind of the vessel or bowl. And with this, I have hand mixture, hand crusher you can say, and this is a marble hand crusher, and in this is empty. Okay, I'm going to add 2 to 3 slices of lemon with some 8 to 10 leaves of rosemary, 6 to 7 leaves of fresh mint, 1 teaspoon of shredded ginger. Roughly I'm crushing it, so all flavor of our leaves, mint, mint, rosemary, ginger, lemon, all flavor comes in our mocktail. You can see here I have roughly crushed our mixture, and into this I have prepared fresh orange juice. If you don't find fresh orange, you can go with any tin containers, bottle one, but the fresh one gives more taste to your mocktail. Now we have shaken our mixture, and I'm going to pour our mixture. So I'm going to fill this jug with our mixture. I have poured mixture here, and into this I'm going to add here lime cordial, half glass. Two glass of plain soda. Half a glass of thick mango cypress. This is a thick, like lumpy and pulpy. Half a glass of this. I'm chopping some mint. This is my homegrown mint plant. I'm taking some fresh mint leaves, 3 to 4. Washing it with the water. After washing it mint leaves with the water, I'm chopping it in our mocktail. Now I'm going to add some ice cubes. I'm using 6 to 7 ice cubes in our mixture. Half a teaspoon of salt. You can omit salt if you don't like, and some blueberries, like 10 to 15. If you want more, you can add some more. Mix all well, and our mocktail is ready to serve. Our mocktail is ready here to serve, and this is very best option during this time. Summer is already started now. We feel hot here, so I'm keeping here stirrer. Whenever you feel to stir your mocktail, you can stir it. Some umbrella. No, it's only one umbrella. One umbrella and some decorations. I have pricked blueberries in our toothpick, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy.